everyone. I welcome you once again to my site work. All right. So today we have a very important aspect to learn in the field of construction: how to carry out your part foundation. The part foundation itself entails the column and the column base. So today I want you to pay attention very well. We have something very important to learn. It involves step-by-step guide. All right. So ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for other upcoming construction tips. So all right, as you can see, we have dug our column base. Please come closer so that you see what we're doing. As you can see, okay, the kind of column we are positioning is the one that we're going to start from the ground, all right, and come up. So as you can see, this structure, we just decided to install columns at strategic places. Do you understand me? So what is happening here? You have to dig your column base to the required depth, and you have to dig it in such a way that the width and the length of the size of the basket have to fit in very well. So you have to fit in very well, and it's going to be, when you are going to position your columns, the column will have to be positioned at the center of the basket. Do you understand me? So I want you to watch this video. So all right, guys, I want you to watch very well. So number one, this column base, you have to blind it very well, okay, to the required depth. Usually my blinding is used to be 3 inches, maximum 4 inches, but it cannot be less than 3 inches blinding of the column base. Okay, this is not just a very massive structure anywhere. It's not more than one deck. So all right, but for me to do that, I have to take my measurement here. As you can see, so I have to obtain my blinding measurement. This is my blinding measurement. So I have nailed the depth of the blinding. You know, I'm not going to be inside here, so I will be outside and be dressing it. Okay, so someone will be pouring the concrete, I will be dressing it, and after that I will position my basket. All right, so that is it. You know, the total depth of the column base, the casting itself. I'm talking about the casting. Okay, the concrete thickness. Some people used to do it 9 inches, as the case may be, but sometimes, or most of the times, I used to do it 1 foot. Are you getting me? So I know the reason why I'm doing it like that. Okay, so I want you to pay attention. So because I'm going to stay outside to dress the stuff, to dress the concrete, so I have already taken my measurement. I have to take my measurements this way. Okay, so with this 1 foot, it will take care of all the lapses. Do you understand me? This is just the initial casting, okay? The initial casting of the footing itself. Do you understand me? Okay, so that is it. So the first thing now, just like I said, is the blinding. After the blinding, we are going to put our basket. Do you understand me? Okay. You should note, however, something that used to carry the structure of a house used to be column. Okay, columns. So such columns shouldn't be taken for granted. Okay, the block work may not be carrying the load so much, except if it is a load-bearing block. Okay, but if you can do your columns very well and all the structural components of the house, if you can do it very well, I want to let you know that even without block work, without block work carrying the load of the structure, the columns can as well carry the deck very well, the slab very well. So we are doing everything possible so that we will do our columns very well, starting from the column base itself. Okay, just like I said, first thing, the blinding about 3 inches, 4 inches after we put our basket, and then cast it to the required depth. The initial depth is 1 foot. Do you understand me? So I want you to follow me through. We have something to learn. Just like I said, what's used to carry the structure aspect of house, the first thing we start from column. Block work doesn't carry much load, or sometimes it can even be negligible as long as you do your columns very well and all the structural components such as the beams and other ones. Okay, so okay, there something is going on. We have started doing the powering, the blinding. So please, I want you to go and address it. Okay. May not.
Another one, this one no reach.
Oh, yeah, but you have to, so that it will not thicken. You have to, yeah, spread it. Okay.
Okay, we don't start. They say no boy.
So you have to dress it. So this is the column base, the blinding of the column base. So as you can see, he's dressing the blinding. Okay. Bring him the tapper. That's wood. Look at it there. So he's dressing the blinding. After this, we put our basket. As you watch this video, the next step is the tapping of the concrete blinding. Okay. Some builders used to omit this important aspect. They will just pour concrete, spread it, and just leave it there. That's not it. You have to tap it very well. Okay. So the next step after this one is something that you will not like to miss. So I want you to watch till the end, and I still want to let you know that after this video, I'm still going to make more video in continuation of this one to fully explain this column base construction. The next step is you have to put your column basket. The one I'm holding is called a basket. Okay, do you understand me? This is what some people do call it, basket, the column basket. So as you can see, we are done blinding the part foundation. Okay, we are done blinding the column base. We are through blinding it. Though the next thing is for us to place our column basket. Do you understand it? Okay, so everything must be process by process. All right, so we are going to position our basket. Then at the same time, we have also tie our building line. Okay, just zoom it very well. Let's see. This is what is called the building line. Do you understand me? Okay, this structure we are doing here, we are just positioning columns at strategic points. Do you understand me? So this is our building line. This thing sometimes it have to be interpreted by an engineer, because if you do not put it very well, tie it very well, your column will be out of alignment. Okay, It's a very big blunder in engineering for your column to be out of alignment. So you have to tie your building line how the column will be positioned, so that the column will be in between the walls or the place or the exact place it is being designed to be. Do you understand me? That is the reason why you have to tie your building line. Is very, very important. So you have to learn it very well. You have to know it very well. You have to know where you will tie your building line very well. Don't make mistake. If you make mistake, your building line, okay, for the column, then the column might be out of alignment when you are positioning it. And it is going to be a very big absurd error in engineering. Thank you very much. So let's go on. So all right, if there's anything that you have learned in this video, I want you to subscribe across all my channels. Do you understand me? I have many construction tips for you. So are you a lover of construction, an engineer, a builder? So please, I want you to hook on. More awesome videos are coming, okay? So let me see your thoughts on comment section. Have you witnessed blinding before? What are the challenges that you have encountered while carrying out your part foundation? Let me see your comments in the comment section. Do you understand me? So I want to let you know that this video is continuing. It is now we want to enter into the real column-based construction. Okay, so I want you to put on your notification button so that you'll be aware when the video will be dropping. Okay, so the last but not the least, ensure you reach out to an engineer, an expert in the field when you are executing your projects. Okay, thank you very much.